Hi guys, look at the top. It's one of the ones that I got yesterday and it's so cute. I'm feeling like a little cupid of love or whatever it says. I want to make some ramen today. I want to make like this certain recipe, so I just wanted to vlog a little bit of how I do it and we'll see how it comes out. Hopefully it comes out good because it looks so good on this girl's TikTok or whatever. So look, let me show you the inspiration. That's what it looks like, so let's say. I'm gonna try to make it on this bowl because it just seems like I can hold it and like eat it while I'm watching something on the couch, so. So let's see if it's actually good. Wow, it's actually good. I think I put too much peanut butter, but it tastes good. Mira? No, I'm FaceTiming my cousin again. This is actually good. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. So today I had such like great hopes for today. It's barely 3 p.m. but I've just been feeling so off today. I cleaned the house. I wanted to like do a little cleaning vlog, but that did not happen. But I did clean, so it's cleaner now. I have some home decor that I want to show you guys. It's literally like 2 things, but I just haven't been, you know, feeling my best today. I've been extremely tired. I think it might be coming to that time of the month, like coming soon to it. Today was just really off, you know, it just really threw me off, but we're gonna make it a good day still. Oh, this is one of the shirts that I bought from Etiqueted, you know, from my last haul. We're gonna try to make the best out of today. I want to bake cookies today, so let's make the rest of this vlog cozy and let's feel good about ourselves. Let's make a home environment where we thrive. Let's reset our minds and create a cozy environment, girls. Okay, so we're making the cookies that I made with Henry in our challenge, which I'll link right here. So I'm actually gonna try to make it with love and actually good, so I can get in like the autumn vibe. I just want to get cozy vibes and I really want like homemade cookies, and I really want a coffee right now with homemade cookies and watch the Gilmore Girls, because I just started watching the Gilmore Girls and oh my god, I've been missing out. I'm from Mexico, alright, so these shows didn't make sense to me, but now I know English and I'm older, so I know what the heck they're talking about, so that's good. We can get in a cozy vibe now. Caught myself before messing up. I gotta mix this in first. All right. No, I'm gonna leave it in. Here. 3/4 cups? That's a lot, huh?
Sweet, yeah.
No way. Freaking dropped in a piece of egg.
said I don't know Spanish, I'm gonna start speaking Spanish.
I'm gonna burn him out.
Se habla español. I said that wrong.
These are good though.
Are good.
Should I make a little coffee?
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Why? Why?
Why?
Why not?
Get your own coffee.
No, I'm not gonna drink it. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm supposed to be asleep as of 43 minutes ago.
Oh my god, your arms wouldn't
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, my coffee's so good. Guys, this week has been like so slow. It's been a good week though. Like I feel like I've done a lot of things that I usually don't do and I've liked it, but it's just been like today it's raining and it's like such a beautiful day to just watch movies and stuff, but I did that kind of like the half day of yesterday. I watched Gilmore Girls and I did my cookies and I was so happy that I got to bake my cookies and everything, but I don't know, I wish Henry was home. He's been working so much lately. That's my vibe. I just feel so cozy right now. Like I guess since it's October, I never really fully get into the fall vibes. I get more into the Christmas vibes, but I think since here the trees are actually like changing color and it's actually getting cold, like at least in the morning, and it's raining. Like I don't know, I see like a season change. I think because of that I'm just like way more excited than I usually am. So all I want to do is freaking be cozy in bed. Oh, and also about the job stuff, I've talked about in my other blogs about me getting a job. Girls, I've looked everywhere. I've been applying left and right everywhere and they've all like either denied me or are not hiring or it's not my vibe once I actually go in the place. I've been trying to get a remote job like online, and I've been trying to get a job here on site, and it just hasn't been the vibe. So you guys know I've been praying a lot and I didn't really know what to do, so I'm just gonna take it. Like if I don't get, I applied to another job. If I don't get that job and if I don't get a remote job I applied for, then I'm just gonna take it as a sign from God that I just gotta keep doing YouTube and Sam's Angels, because literally that was my question. And yes, I could get a whatever job, but I don't want a whatever job. Like I don't want to just work anywhere. I want a fashion related job because that's my major, and like if it's not gonna help me my resume right now, I'm blessed to not need it financially, so I'm not gonna just waste my time working at a gas station or something. Not because it's bad, like if you do that, that's great, and if you like get extra money and you can get extra money, that's like amazing, but I just don't want to do it if it's not related to my major. So that's what's happening lately, and I've just been such in a cozy mood. I'm having a girls night. Guys, I made friends. That's news. I feel like I look so rough right now. Let me fix my hair. And also sorry I had gum. You know, I'm sorry for being that annoying girl, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have a girls night this Saturday. Guys, this is my first hosted girls night as a wife here in Georgia. Like this is my first time doing this, and I have my two friends that I always talk about. The girl that you guys saw in my last vlog, Azaya, and then I have Ali, which she's my neighbor, so I do hang out with them but never together. And then Azaya, she might invite this other friend that she has, so I'm excited because I want to meet her. I've met her once but I didn't actually like get to talk to her, so I hope she comes. I bought her a pumpkin because we're gonna do pumpkin painting and I want to do like a whole vlog for that. I'm like really excited because I just love girls night. I'll show you guys in my next vlog what I bought for it because I want to make it like cute. Y'all know I love Pinterest and I love the aesthetics, so that's what I'm going for. But for today, we're just doing cozy vibes. Girl, it's raining outside. I think it's just gonna be a Gilmore Girls type of night and just eat, drink coffee, have some of the cookies I made yesterday, and just chill. Oh my god, but I'm gonna do a Marshall's vlog right now. A Marshall's haul of the stuff that I bought to decorate my living room. It's literally like not a lot. I think I already mentioned this, but I only bought 3 things, but they are gonna make such a big difference in my living room, at least for me. And I just want to show you guys. Honestly, Marshalls, you should sponsor me because I love shopping there naturally, and like you guys have some really good stuff. I used to not go into Marshalls that much, but lately she's just been hitting. But I'm gonna finish my makeup off now because I've talked your ears off. Wait, I'm just kidding. Before I finish my makeup, do you guys like girls nights, or is that just me? Like, is that like a girly thing, or is that like an every girl? Like, I feel like whether you're girly or not, I feel like you want a girls night. You don't think so? Like, no matter how girly you are, you don't want to spend time with other women? Like, you just want to be around men, or what? I mean, don't get me wrong, they're fine being friends, right? And they're funny, but they're not girls. Like, girls are just different, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not talking girls from high school that are like mean and not really your friends. We're in our 20s now, ladies. We don't do that freaking high school fight and high school drama, and I know that's really common in the Navy or in the military. I've heard a lot of stories about military wives that they're, you know, a lot of them are just very gossipy and very, you know, not the vibe. vibe, very high school, but not in my house and not my friends. So we're just girls that like to get together and like girly things and like s'mores, like hot chocolate, like pumpkin spice, and like the Gilmore Girls. If you're one of those, subscribe because that's my vibe. I don't want you talking trash in my house, and if you do, you're getting kicked out because we don't bully no people here. Literally no point. If you're bullying people in your 20s, you're a loser for real. Like, get a life. There's no need. If you don't like someone, don't hang out with them, girlfriend. If you get stuck with them, pray about it. If you work with them, pray about it. God will bring you through it. Trust me. It is annoying, but don't make no drama. We don't need no drama in our lives. We already have a lot going on. Also with like Israel, you guys gotta pray for Israel because it's so sad, everything that's happening. I mean, there's a lot of things happening around the world, but it's like the main focus right now on the media, and you just gotta pray. Just pray, girl. Just pray. You'll have a blessed life if you pray. Doesn't mean no problems will happen. Problems always happen, but you'll get through the problems a lot faster, and they won't actually bother you as much as you think they will. They'll bother you for a second, but then you'll get over it because life goes on, and life goes on so fast, even though this week has been slow. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just rambling for real. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. This time I did spend more money than I should have. I bought these pillows. They're so beautiful, but they were $40. But if you have ever been to my house, which most of you haven't, my couches, I love them and I thank my aunt for them every day, but they're so uncomfortable. Like, they're so uncomfortable. So I'm so ready for these. These pillows are so comfy. I just want to like grab them and throw them in there already. But I was waiting for this haul, so I haven't used them, guys. That's how dedicated I am to YouTube. That's how dedicated I am to you guys. I haven't used these because of you guys. Although you don't care if I open them on camera or not, but I care because it's not really a haul if you don't like open it here. You know what I mean? Oh, they're stuck together. I need to like actually take this off. Please hold. Guys, look at these. Oh my goodness. These are so comfortable. Like, I know $40 is a lot, but it's definitely worth it. And I also realized that like you can actually open these and like wash this, which is really important because I have 2 dogs and we're always in that couch. So I really like that you can, you know, throw that in the wash and reuse it. And I feel like, although, okay, yeah, these might be like more for like Christmas and autumn and all that, but I will be using these all year round. I don't care if it's summer. It's always 68 degrees in my household, so it don't matter. It's always cold in here either way. And then, oh my god, look at this. Guys, I bought a blanket. Do I need one? No. I have like so many blankets, but look at this one. I don't have one that looks like this. Like, tell me this isn't autumn, fall. Gilmore Girls, Gossip Girl during fall time. Like, come on. Oh my god. And they gave me the hanger. It better. This was like $25. Yeah, it was exactly $25. But I think this is so worth it. Like, you can't lie. Let me open it. That was actually the hardest thing to get off of the freaking hanger. It was like, it had those little thingies everywhere, the little guns to like keep it together. I don't remember what they're called, but guys, inside, outside. You're joking. I'm gonna go lay down, get a coffee, eat a cookie, and watch Gilmore Girls all day or watch Christmas movies. Like, I don't care if it's October. I love Christmas. Oh my god, this is the best purchase ever. $25? Like, you're joking? It's like an oversized blanket. Just me and my blanket. Isn't that like the perfect combo? You can't even see. Like, just look at that. That's like the perfect combo. Guys, I also bought another thing. Look at this. I don't know if you were supposed to bake in this or what, but I'm gonna use this to put some cute snacks. And actually you can make like a cute little pie in here. Like, this is just the cutest thing. And I know I'm gonna use this for like the rest of my life until it breaks or something, because why wouldn't you? It's just really cute and it's really cozy and it's oven safe. So I'm gonna bake a pie in here because now I'm a baker. Well, actually my cookies, they came out really good. They just didn't look great. So I need to like work on my baking skills. And then lastly, not fallish, but I got this new notebook. I'm almost out of my old one, and I'm very peculiar with like the pages that I use, and I just thought it was so cute. It goes with my little notepad in my office. If you guys haven't seen it, you can go through my office vlog and you'll see it, but this is really, really cute. I really like it. And at the end of the haul, all of that was like $89. I'm not proud. Also, I spent so much for my girls' night, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You only live once, and hopefully I get paid soon. So like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I can get paid from YouTube soon. vlog might have been like a little bit all over the place because I filmed a couple of days in my life, and they're just random little clips where I decided to pick up the camera and just vlog because I just thought they were cute moments. And that's literally what this vlog is about. It's just a bunch of random clips that I wanted to put together, and I really have been getting in the fall vibe, so that's literally what it is, getting in that autumn vibe, that Gilmore Girl vibe, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if it was all over the place, watch my latest vlog, which that one is actually also a chaotic vlog. So just welcome to the peaceful chaos. Life just goes on, ladies. We're in our 20s and we're trying to figure out this wife journey and it girl journey. So like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you have a good day, and I hope I'll see you in my next vlog, which is gonna be a girls night. I'm so excited. Maybe I'm hyping it up too much. I mean, maybe it won't even be that much, but no, we're calling it in Jesus' name. It's gonna be a good day, good Saturday, blessed day, good friendships, good snack, pumpkin painting night. Bye. Love y'all.